from New Zealand here, and I'm really excited. This is my favourite Flylady baby step. Do you die when visitors say, "Can I borrow the loo?" Do you think, oh, what state's it in? I never have to think about that again. This step has given me total freedom from that panic. So if you want that freedom as well, watch on, because this is my favourite baby step. I'll see you soon. So, day 24, here we go. As I've said, this is my favourite baby step. So, it's called swish, swish, and swipe. What's that? Swish and swipe. What does that mean? And what's it got to do with having a clean toilet? So, let me tell you. This was a revelation to me, and it is so easy, so easy. So, what you're going to do is, in your morning routine, you're going to add swish and swipe. And what that is every morning, I actually do it as soon as I get out of the shower. Even before I leave the bathroom, I do this. You're going to swish the toilet. Now, swishing the toilet means getting the toilet brush and giving it a quick swish. You know, swish it around. You might want to put a little bit of cleaner in there. I don't know how you like to clean your toilet, but you know, this is not a full scrub. You know, this is a swish. This is what my mother would have called a lick and a promise. So some people like to put a little bit of something in their toilet brush holder. That's fine. That's, you know, I mean, soap is soap is soap, and you're going to be doing this every day, so it's going to be totally clean. So a swish with the toilet roll, you know, with the toilet roll, honestly. A swish with the toilet brush, okay, around the bowl, in the water, swish done. Swipe, what's swipe? Swipe is getting a cloth or getting a wet wipe and wiping the toilet down. Now remember, we're going to be doing this every day, so it's not a big deal. So you're going to wipe down the toilet, and I wipe the top, the cistern, the toilet seat and cover. I don't go down the sides because that will be covered later on in our zone cleaning when we're doing a more thorough clean of the bathroom. This is just a daily lick and a promise. Swish and swipe. Now, the first time you do it, there may be a couple of days worth of build up, so obviously it's going to take a little bit longer, but once you've kind of got the toilet clean, grab your timer, see how long it takes. Minutes. No, not even minutes. I reckon you can get it down to seconds. It's so clean. The toilet is always clean. You never have that sinking feeling when somebody wants to use the toilet, and it's gorgeous for you as well, you know, lovely clean toilet to sit on. You don't have to go and think, oh, I need to clean the toilet, need to get this done. You go, wow, this is so nice. Also, as when I swish and swipe my toilet with a separate cloth, I don't want to transfer bugs from one place to another, or a separate wet wipe, I also wipe down the bathroom sink. Swish, swish, swish. And maybe the windowsill, swish, 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 you know, just nice, quick and easy. And wow, what a difference. So that's what I want you to do for day 24, is add that to your journal, add that to your control journal and get on with that, okay? Get on with that and do it straight away. First thing in the morning, it's out of the way. Now, lots of homes nowadays have more than one bathroom. 2, maybe 2.5, 3. I don't know how many bathrooms are in your house. Now, please, as I said, don't go over the top. We're not going to go over the top. In my home, we've got the main bedroom has an ensuite, which has toilet, sink and shower. And we've got our family bathroom, which is toilet, sink, shower and bath. So what I do with my swish and swipe is one day I do the ensuite, the next day I do the bathroom, the family bathroom. That works for me, okay? I find if I go past that it kind of I start to notice it, but I don't want to do too much, and I want to keep it simple and easy. So find out what works for you. Obviously it depends how often, you know, how many people you have in your house as to how often you're going to have to clean it. Maybe you do need to do a couple of bathrooms a day if you've got a big family. So that's my most exciting one. It sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? I get excited about a toilet. The number of times I've just dreaded visitors asking to go to the toilet all the time. So yes, sure, down the hall. right. Oh God. That is a thing of the past, thanks to the Flylady. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with friends. Maybe be careful about who you share it with, because you don't want them to think you're getting at them for the state of their toilet. So tactfully share this with your friends, and also so subscribe, and there'll be links to the other videos. And again, in my enthusiasm, I forgot to say, if this is the first time you've seen these videos, please go back to the first video, and I'll put a link to that at the end as well. Okay, it's a pretty cool day here in New Zealand. Been nice talking to you. Have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.